Now looking at the posterior cranial fossa. This is the petrous part of temporal bone. This right here is the internal acoustic meatus. Internal acoustic meatus से पास करता है 7th and 8th cranial nerve and labyrinthine artery, labyrinthine vein and vestibular ganglion. This is internal acoustic meatus. Here, this is the jugular foramen. The jugular foramen is further divided into three parts: anterior, middle and posterior. From the anterior part, this here it is inferior petrosal sinus. From the middle part, 9th, 10th and 11th cranial nerve passes, and posterior part forms the sigmoid sinus. Now the sigmoid sinus continues as internal jugular foramen. So this is the jugular foramen divided into three parts: anterior, middle and posterior. Anterior में inferior petrosal sinus, middle में 9th, 10th and 11th cranial nerve, and posterior में sigmoid sinus, which continues as a internal jugular vein. Now here, this is the foramen magnum. Foramen magnum के भी further दो parts होते हैं, but the main thing we have to remember is medulla, meninges and vertebral arteries. After that, this here, these two are the hypoglossal canal. From here, hypoglossal nerve passes. This was about the posterior cranial fossa. Now this is the basal view. This is the norma basalis. This is the inferior view of skull. Now norma basalis के हम structures देखते हैं. First of all, this is the palate. The palate has two parts. This is the maxillary part and palatine part. This is the incisive canal. This is the greater palatine fossa, lesser palatine fossa. Greater palatine foramen, lesser palatine foramen, and incisive foramen. Incisive foramen से पास करता है nasopalatine artery, nasopalatine nerve. Incisive foramen, nasopalatine nerve. Now incisive फोरामेन के बाद ग्रेटर पैलेटाइन फोरामेन, लेसर पैलेटाइन फोरामेन. ग्रेटर पैलेटाइन फोरामेन से ग्रेटर पैलेटाइन नर्व्स एंड वेसल्स, लेसर से लेसर पैलेटाइन नर्व्स एंड वेसल. आफ्टर दैट, this is your this pointed projection is the styloid process, mastoid process. In between these two is the stylomastoid foramen. Stylomastoid foramen से पास होता है facial nerve, and facial nerve पास हो गए stylomastoid foramen से. उसके बाद ग्रेटर पैलेटाइन, लेसर पैलेटाइन. उसके बाद this is the foramen, this is your foramen ovale. Right here is the mandibular nerve, accessory meningeal artery, lesser petrosal nerve, emissary vein. This is the carotid canal. This is the foramen lacerum, and this is the foramen. No, this is the foramen spinosum. This is the foramen. No, this is foramen spinosum, ovale, foramen lacerum. This is the optic canal. No, this is the carotid canal. After that, so carotid canal से पास होते internal carotid artery, foramen lacerum से पास होता है. ये इससे कुछ पार्ट नहीं होता. Usually it is filled with fibrocartilage, and greater and deep petrosal nerve unite here to form the nerve of pterygoid canal, and some small emissary veins and meningeal branches pass through it. Then this is the foramen magnum. Here, this is the occipital condyle, and this is the condylar canal. Here is the hypoglossal canal. Hypoglossal nerves pass through it. And foramen magnum से तो we already know medulla oblongata, meninges के तीनों part, dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid space, vertebral artery, spinal artery, posterior spinal artery, anterior spinal artery, spinal roots of accessory nerve, and some venous plexus. This is about the norma basalis. इसमें bones आपको दिखेंगे. ये zygomatic arch, styloid process, mastoid process, stylomastoid foramen, condylar foramen, foramen magnum, carotid canal, spinosum, ovale, lacerum, and yeah, this is it.